Good morning once again. I am Alpesh sir and I am with the new video of the first chapter of our chemistry, and it is matter in our surrounding. Friends, in the previous video we had learnt about melting point, we had learnt about boiling point. Now we will learn a few more words, but before that we had heard the particular word. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Now what is Celsius? And we must understand the SI unit. SI actually in entire world, the particular units for particular quantity of physics is decided, and according to the System International, SI, the French company, has decided all these the units, and according to it the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, not Celsius. So we must understand the relations among different units of the temperature. Now I am going to explain about different units of the temperature, and they are Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. So there are three types of units, and SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It is Kelvin, and symbol is equal to K. Beta, not write like K degree, it is wrong. If you write down degree, it will be wrong. Mind well. So SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, and another unit that we use particularly in our daily life, and it is Celsius. Another is Celsius. Celsius unit. Now conversion of Celsius and Kelvin. How can we convert it? So there is a formula, and that we have to remember. Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. So whatever Celsius we are given, we have to add 273.15. But for our easy understanding, we will use 273 only. For example, convert 27 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. How can we convert it? So look here, answer, Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. It is equal to Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. It is equal to 27 plus 273. It is equal to 300 Kelvin. So 300 Kelvin is the answer. Now, if Kelvin is converted into Celsius, then Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273. Kelvin minus 273. So friends, I hope you understand this conversion from Celsius to Kelvin and Kelvin to Celsius. Beta, one question must be asked in the exam with the marks of only 1, and now this year your exam will be online. So you must ready to learn this, and there is no any question paper without such question from first chapter. So you must practice it, and so many extra questions are given in the exercise of first chapter that you have to follow. So I will just come with the new video, and there is another also, the unit of temperature, and that is one more unit, and it is called Fahrenheit. It is Fahrenheit. What is it, beta? Fahrenheit. Now the relation of Celsius and Fahrenheit, it is equal to F is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. So when Celsius is given, we have, and Fahrenheit is to be converted, we have to use this formula. And when Celsius is given and converted into Kelvin, then we have to use this Kelvin formula. And when Kelvin is given and Celsius we have to convert, we have to use this formula. And for Fahrenheit we have to use this formula. Is it clear, beta? All the students must copy all the things by repeatedly watching the video, beta. Okay, you must remember all these informations and continue learning and start practicing. Beta, your exam will be very close, mind well, and within a few videos the chapter will be completed. Okay, beta? So keep learning, keep practicing. I just come with the new video.